Okay, this is Honor 200, a phone that was lost in the flood of launches this month. Wait, before going in, please do like the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And coming to the video, this phone is priced around 48,000, and let's see what features this phone offers at that price. This comes with Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 and comes with 6.5-inch 1.7K Carmine AMOLED display, which supports all technologies like HDR and Dolby Vision, and runs on Magic OS based on Android 14. The Honor 200 Go is basically a camera-centric flagship phone. It comes with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main with OIS and 50 megapixel periscopic lens, and with 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera. Company tagged this phone as a portrait expert. I didn't have a piece to test, but if you support me, I will definitely get one. Not only cameras, it also doing some wonders with software, especially the way they tune the animations. It feels very smooth, and some extra features like text extraction from images, and all these actions are doing with artificial intelligence. That's it. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.